guys, and welcome back to another Ipsy unboxing. This one, I believe, is the Ipsy Boxycharm thing. The middle tier, anyway. I know it's not Icon Box, so it's gotta be the Boxycharm one, but it gets confusing because half the time they label them, and the other half the time it just says Ipsy because they're still using up their old boxes, so it always throws me. But anyway. But yeah, it's for June of this year. And it says, I think, the same thing as like the regular glam bag did about how this month, give yourself permission to play, whether you're escaping on a summer vacay or exploring a brand new beauty look with mood boosting makeup and happy hints of color. Just remember the world is your playground, so have fun with it. Unfortunately, we don't have product info this time. We just have this thing of true colors. The hues you surround yourself with play a big role in your emotions, which is true. Color psychology. My sister studied it in college because she has a psychology degree. But anyway, so ready to rock Roy G. Biv plus pink, of course, to help alter your mood? We've got you covered. So red, mood boost, passion, get the vibe with crimson lips. Pro tip, outline lips with a liner first to create a sharper shape and longer wear time. Orange, which they show on Margot Robbie. Hey Barbie! Mood boost, optimism, get the vibe, sunset lids. Pro tip, keep the saturated shades on your eyelids, then blend to diffuse the pigments. Yellow, mood boost, joy, get the vibe, statement liner. Pro tip, can't find yellow liner, use an eyeshadow with setting spray to DIY your own. Which, yes, you can do that. Blew my mind too a few years ago, and I learned that that's a thing you can do, but you can totally do that. Green, mood boost, tranquility, get the vibe, inner corner pop. Pro tip, press on metallic eyeshadow, don't swipe for the most molten-like effect. Yes, stamp your shadow. Blue, mood boost, confidence, get the vibe, cut crease. Pro tip, apply eyeshadow with open eyes to get the right placement slightly above your natural crease. Violet, mood boost, ambition, get the vibe, iridescent cheeks. Pro tip, dust a shimmery lavender powder across your cheekbones as a blush highlight hybrid. Pink, mood boost, compassion, get the vibe, all over rose. Pro tip, don't stop with the lids, add a soft pink to your cheeks and eyes for a monochromatic look. Anyway, so that's that. Now we will look what all is in here in no particular order. First things first is the one that I'm the most excited about. Remember like a year or two ago when nobody would shut the hell up about the Natasha Denona Retro Glam palette? I finally own it. And I know there was like the two variants of this palette. And I did have to make a choice, which was difficult, but I did get this version because I felt like it would be more practical for me of the two. God, it's so cute. And this is such my damn vibe with the pink and the mint. I'm like, oh my god, this is like my life right now of the colors. So, also in the back, the little holes. So if you want to pop out any shade to put into like a Z palette, like magnetic ones, you can do that with just like a little push pin or anything to push them through. So this is what our colors look like, and this is why I freaking had to have it, because it's like literally my two colors of the moment right now that I'm just surrounding myself with. So I was like, oh yeah, I'm getting that one. So the color names are Flare, Jazzy, Oscar, Evergreen, Marlin, Maxi, Sage, Holly, Fringe, Faye, Flutter, Lucy, Palladian, Belle, and Oz. So of course I had to. Of course I had to. I'm very, very stoked about this. You have no idea. And I think this may be my first full-size Natasha Denona palette. I have like the little like single row ones, and I have just like individual singles, but this is like my first palette from them, so I'm pretty excited about that. I additionally have yet another of the Wander Beauty Upgraded Lashes Thickening Mascara. I mean, I like it just fine. It's in jet black. But I have like several of it, so this may go on eBay. I don't know. Also have the KVD Tattoo Pencil Liner in Blue Ashes. Which that, okay, now you're getting more interesting. Looks like this. Like it's gonna be a deep blue, of course. It's so silky on the barrel, like you can't even like feel the lettering, which is so weird because I'm used to being able to feel like the indents, but this one, I'm not going to swatch until we're ready to actually review, which won't be today, but I just want to see it. Oh, and it's a retractable one. Cool. Because I was like, how the hell am I going to sharpen plastic? But no. It's a twisty one. If we can see against the pink down there. Yeah. That's cool. I actually didn't realize it was one of those. When it said pencil, I expected it to be like a pencil, and that's why I was like, it's so smooth for a pencil. It almost feels like a liquid liner now. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. So there's that. Pretty happy about. Also have the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Micro or Resurfacing Micro Exfoliant, which I mean, I guess that's good. I don't know if I'm excited about this or not. I'll have to use it to decide how I feel. I'm neutral on it right now. We have from a brand called Volition the Golden Eye Brightening Serum with vitamin C and niacinamide. That's pretty cool. I don't want to expose it to light given the vitamin C because it starts oxidizing, but yeah, it looks like that. Now, if it turns real orangey by the time that I get around to actually using it, then we'll know because it hit the sunlight. And then finally, last thing in here is from Half Caked, which I adore, and this is their Double Dipper Color Duo. So this, I don't know, is it shadows? Is it? Oh, and it's in Girls Tour is the name of the color combo. So what are we? Blush and glow. So it must be a highlighter and blush duo. Okay. And these are pretty much about the colors I've been playing with lately for such things. So, alright. That's pretty cool. Looks slightly dark, so I'll go in with a light hand and see how we do. But I love the rainbows on the box. It just... I may store this one in the box because I like the box so much. Usually I don't do that by the time it hits my caboodle, but come on, for how cute that is versus it not having that on the actual palette, I'm going to keep it in the box. So that's what I got in my June Ipsy / Boxycharm box. So hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.